welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making some jumbo shells, stuffed jumbo shells. The water's boiling, so let's take our shells. Kind of hard to do this and hold the camera too. Just 4 minutes. There they go. Okay, 9 minutes. Start timer. Okay, and we will let those go until they're all nice and soft and mushy. Okay, now I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. Let's get this electric bill going. Okay, now that I got my GoPro mounted on a tripod, maybe I can get two things at once going here. I'm heating the oven up, I'm boiling the shells, and let's see, spray the dish with Pam. Just a light thin coat, I reckon. Boom, done. Sauce in it. Okay. There's a cup of sauce. I need this thing. Get all the measurement out. Okay, set that aside. Spread the sauce in the pan. It's not quite even, but let's see how this goes. Alright. I'll just put that in there for giggles. Giggle. Alright. So, spread that in the sauce in the bottom pan, set it aside. Okay, boom. Set it aside. Okay, got my bowl out, and I rinsed out my measure cup. And I got my ricotta cheese. They say mix it in the bowl with the other cheese. I don't know how well this is gonna come out. We'll mix it with a fork. Shells are done. Okay, shells are done. Put them in the sink. Get this ricotta cheese out of here, if I'm lucky. Scoop that into the bowl. Wow, that came out in one big clump. That's cool. Alright, I don't need that plasticware. Cheese, that's this. So we're gonna mix probably one for now. We'll go. Okay, so it says mix the 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. They called for Italian whatever blend, but I got hot pepper blend, so we'll see how that turns out. Alright, mix all that in there. Get that open. Pour the broccoli in there. Looks kind of wet. I said to squeeze it dry, so I don't know if it ain't dry, but we'll see. I can do an egg. I know how to do an egg. Put that egg in there. I guess they wanted it broken. I don't think they wanted the whole shell and everything. Salt, pepper. Okay, the oregano, we get 1 teaspoon. So, get a teaspoon out. This one And then I guess that's a teaspoon. I don't know. I mean, that looks like a tablespoon or something, I guess. I don't know. We'll just put it on there. So there's the oregano. Come on, oregano, get out of there. I already put a little bit, so maybe that'll cover the rest. Okay. Oregano, half a teaspoon of coarse salt. That would be this stuff here, I suppose. Truth be known, that's what I use to tan my animal hides. Anyway, half a teaspoon of that. I guess that's about half a teaspoon. Yeah, that's a half a teaspoon. And a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. So let's see. Is that a quarter? Yep. Perfect quarter. About half a spoon. Alright, I'm not gonna mix it with this fork because I just don't think that's gonna work out. So if I get another utensil to mix with, here we go. Same spoon I stirred the shells with. Speaking of shells, to put the shells on the tray and let them cool. So that's what I did. I just poured them out here. Let them cool off. And drain, I guess. I already drained them in the sink, but just let them cool off a little bit. And some of them are mixed inside the others. So I think that'll be good. That should be good. Alright, we'll get them loaded up. Put it in the shell. Real simple, right? Yeah, the way they said it was real simple. I don't know if it's going to be real simple though. But we're going to do it. Guess I should take my, yeah, that'll be alright. Hope Band-Aid never hit my body. Alright. There we go. Okay, take this and take your spoon, fill your shells. I'm sure after number 10 I'll be up and running with this little process. It's 20 right there. So I got room for about 5 more. Hope I got enough mix for 5 more. I don't know what I'll do with them other shells. Cook them with some squirrel meat in this mess and wash my hands off. Okay. And what I'm going to do now, get some tin foil. Aluminum foil, they call it. Aluminum foil. Shiny side down. That's what I've heard all my life. Shiny side down. Shiny side to the cooking surface, the cooking side. So, oh, man, put it on there square. That's alright. So, man, going in the oven with it right there. I hope you can see that. Open up the oven. Bake. Time 25 minutes. I'm going to go 30 because I don't like my oven. Cook. Alright, see you in 30 minutes. Before the 30 minutes, I forgot to drizzle the rest of this, they said, over the shells. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. I'm telling you, that looks good right now. Ragu, classic Alfredo, real cheese, whatever. Alright, get all my dirty dishes together here. throw them in the sink behind it, and put the foil back on. Put it on light this time. Even on the edges there. Yeah. Alright. Back in the oven. There it goes. Right back. Hello. Right over there. And still got time to spare. Alright. See you in 30 more minutes.
Okay, the buzzer went off, so let's get the shells out. We're going to take them out and remove the cover. Voila! Looking good so far. There we go. Oh, it smells good. We'll put them back in, per the instructions. Let them cook another 15 to 20 minutes. I'll put 18, and there we go. See you in a few.
Okay, it's beginning to smell like an Italian restaurant in here. Turn off the microwave, turn off the oven, and let's see what we got here. It's been cooking for 25 minutes. Then I took the foil off and put it in for another 15, 18 I think it was. And here's what we got. It's not really turning brown like they said, but it is bubbling pretty good. I don't know. Yeah, that kind of soft shells. They're hot, that's for sure. They look pretty good. I'm gonna go with that's good enough. So there we are. Cheese and broccoli stuffed shells. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm going to try some here in a little bit as soon as they cool off, and I'm sure they're going to be delicious. Okay, here we go. Here's my little pastry. Pastry, yeah, everything's a pastry. My broccoli and cheese stuffed shell. I'm not much of a fan of various cheese. Actually, it's just some meat in it. It's not bad. Could use some kind of meat, I think is what it would need. But it's just broccoli and cheese and a shell. Kind of like a broccoli. Well, no, I don't want to say pizza because it's not like that at all, but tastes pretty good. It's not. I'm not going to eat it every day for a month, but I'll certainly eat all 25 of those. And yeah, it's pretty good actually. I kind of like it. And again, I'm not a big fan of Italian food. But I do like those. I think next time I'll make sure my broccoli isn't as frozen. And that pepper cheese leaves a little spicy flavor. That's pretty good. They're pretty good. I enjoy it. I enjoyed cooking it. I enjoyed prepping it all, and enjoyed making a little video. And I appreciate each and everybody that watches it and takes the time to watch my little videos. And I hope you decide to make some, and you can find the. I'll try to put the link to the recipe in the description below, and then you can have your go at it. And let me know how yours turn out. Let me know if you like them or don't like them, or let me know if you like the video. Alright? 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Hope you all have a wonderful afternoon. I'm just finishing the second one. I'm gonna go with delicious. I don't know if it's because I'm so hungry or if it's just because they're delicious, but pretty good. It's pretty good. I'd definitely give it 2 thumbs up. Awesome. Thanks for watching.